What the heck? Alright, go. No, let us listen to the music. Put the music on. Put the music on. Broad. Josh, come on, it's my song.
What you doing?
Putting the song back on.
Who's listening to it?
I'm listening to it now.
What?
And you were supposed to dance. You want to change the song?
Nope.
I know what song we can listen to. Wow. You know, there's white people support Trump. It's so stupid. What are you doing now? Car. Come back. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Come here so I can change the song. I'm sorry, but I'm dying back here of laughter. You're so stupid. We're done.